All right, ladies and gentlemen. So now we're going to look at capacity, which is liquid measurements. Okay, so liquid measurements are things like cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. Those are the customary ones that we use on a regular basis. So the smallest one is a cup, and a cup equals 8 ounces. Okay, that's also, ounces is also a fluid measurement, but usually we just talk about cups. A cup is, one measuring cup. It's a small cup of coffee. It's a smaller-ish measurement. So cup is the smallest one we have here. So the next smallest one we have is pints, and 1 pint, PT, equals 2 cups. Okay. The next one we have after pints is quarts. So 1 QT, quart, equals 2 pints. Okay. So if 1 pint equals 2 cups and 1 quart, 2 pints equals 1 quart, that would mean that 4 cups equals 1 quart. So it equals 4 cups. Okay, the next one we have is gallons. So 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, 4 QTS, which would also equal 8 pints, which would also equal 16 cups. Okay, so you see it's kind of, all of our liquid measures kind of double each other. Okay, so let's write this down over here. So 1 pint equals, what is it, 2 cups? 2 cups. 1 quart equals 2 pints equals 4 cups. 1 gallon, GAL, equals 4 quarts, UTS, which would equal, how many pints? 4 quarts would equal, so if 1 quart is 2 pints, 4 quarts would be 8 pints. And if 1 quart equals 4 cups, 4 quarts would equal 16 cups. All right, so there is your conversion chart, basically. So what you have to do here is you have to convert. So here it would be pints to cups, here it would be gallons to pints. The same rule applies with capacity as with every other thing. So if you're going from a smaller thing to bigger, you would divide. If you're going from bigger to smaller, you would multiply. Okay, so you might even want to put like from small to big, so I'll put small here, and then you could put on you could put the measurements, so you could put cups, pints, quarts, gallons. And this would be bigger. Okay, so now you have some handy dandy tools up here in the top to help you. So you're going from small to big. You have, if you go from small to big, you divide. If you go from big to small, you multiply. And then you have your conversions right here. So if I'm going from pints to cups, I'm going from big to small. So I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to multiply 3 pints. And then how many pints are in a cup? There are 4 cups in every pint. So I'm going to do 3 times 4 because I'm going from pints to cups. So 1 pint is 4 cups, so I'm going to multiply by 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So 3 pints is 12 cups. Okay, here we have gallons to pint, so I'm going from big to small. And big to small is multiply. So I'm going to do 4 times, and then I'm going to find gallons right here to pints. Okay, so in every 1 gallon there's 8 pints, so I'm going to multiply by 8. So 4 times 8 would be 32. So 4 gallons is 32 pints. Okay, and that's what you're going to do on this page. You're going to do from 4 all the way down to 15. When you get down to 12, you're going to do the same thing that you were doing up here. You're just, at the end, you're not going to write how many you got. You're just going to say, is 8 pints greater than, less than, or equal to 8 or 15 cups? All right, ready to go.